We can start off by copying all of the assets for this project. Inside of the source, we're going to have a special folder that's going to contain all of our assets, images, icons, and everything that we need for this entire project. You can find a link to a folder or a zipped version of the same folder just below this lecture, so make sure to go to that link and download the folder. Then you can simply copy and paste it inside of the source. I've just done that, and we have our assets. Our assets are divided in two sections, general images, and then we also have all of the genre icons. As you can see, I've used the same name for genre icons as the genre names themselves. Therefore, we have action, adventure, animation, and even popular or upcoming and top rated as well. I found these icons online, and it's currently really dark, so I'm not sure how well can you see it, but they are all black. So sometimes we'll have to show them as white. And also, how are we going to show each icon next to a corresponding line? Well, let me show you right away. Again, before we begin, just make sure that you have the assets in the source, assets, and then genres. Great. With that said, we are ready to import them into our sidebar. We can do that by saying import genre icons, and that's going to be from // assets and then / genres. Great. Now that we're using real genres, we can also remove these demo categories, and we can scroll down. Inside of here, we can now use real icons. So let's uncomment this. And what is going to be the source for our image? Well, we want to get into the genre icons array. And how do I know that this is an array? Well, if we go to genres and then this index, what I've done is I've simply imported all of these icons as well as the most popular categories, and then I've exported them in an object. So this is essentially an object where the key name is action and the value is the actual icon for the genre of that same name. So I've said it wrong, it's not an array, rather it's an object. So we want to access genre icons, and then we can get a specific genre icon by using name dot to lower case, and then that's it. That way, we're actually using this name of the element we're looping over, and we're accessing a specific genre in the genres object. We can copy these 3 lines and also paste them here, because situation is the same. Although these ones are categories, in here we're going to have the label, but everything else should remain the same. Great. Now let's save it and take a look in the browser. And there we go. This makes it look so much better. We can see popular, top rated, upcoming, there's a cinema icon right there, and then there are icons for all of these categories: action, adventure, animation. This is just a little touch that makes this application so much better. And of course, we as developers or designers didn't need to do this. This wasn't necessary. But this is that one extra touch that's going to make your applications look so much more professional and polished. And that was it for this short lecture. In the next lecture, we are going to really get our hands dirty by actually making API calls to fetch movies for each individual genre. Let's go ahead and do that right away.